go for one day. Let me lose myself again. Give me something for the pain. Always trying to pretend that I'm not living just a lie. Broken heart and shattered lives. Let me go for one day. Let me lose myself. Oh, I knew how this would end. Oh, I knew.
Hi y'all, I am iamSimoneC. Welcome to my YouTube channel, or welcome back. Today y'all, we have an exciting video. Today's all about this gorgeous, beautiful asymmetrical bob wig from the company LuvMe Hair. I would love to thank LuvMe Hair so much for sending me this beautiful unit and for sponsoring today's video. If you all are interested to see how I got this gorgeous install from start to finish, please stay tuned and keep on watching. Alright you all, so here is the look so far. Oh my mind, I'm so obsessed you all. Like, wow, this bob is so chic. Like, do you see this on me? So edgy. I'm just loving the asymmetrical style. Wow. So you all, let's see what we have now with our lace and with the closure. Ooh, wow, so pretty. Look at that you all. Look at this. Wow, so natural. I love long hair, you all, so I was a little bit nervous about this style, but this is so perfect for this hot weather and for the summer months. Wow, look at the asymmetrical. I like that this side is a little bit longer than this side. So cute, you all. I don't even need baby hair because I feel like it's giving, like, you know, a nice classy edgy look with just how it is. So yeah, so baby hairs is definitely optional with this look. I love how quick and easy this was to install for you all today. Literally under 5 minutes, you all. All I did was plop the wig on my head. I added a little bit of concealer or foundation inside to help, you know, the lace closure and the hairline blend a little bit more into my skin. Absolutely love it. And that's it, we have a style. I use my flat iron to kind of bump the edges a little bit more, you know, to give it that nice edgy look. And I use my hot comb to go through the roots just a tad. And boom, we have a look. To all my ladies who does not love the longer length hair, like myself and the long lengths, here you go, a pretty bob, perfect for the season. Look at her move, look at her move, you all. She's so lively, so much bounce and body to her. So adorable, you all. Wow, I just love this. It feels like I have on nothing. Like, this feels like my natural hair, you all, and I love that. Like, it's not touching my body, my neck, my shoulders, nothing. This 10-inch is perfect, you all. Perfect, okay? So lightweight. I just love how light and feathery it is, you all. Wow. So quickly taking a skinny brush and my same Ruby Kisses cream foundation, we're gonna go into the lighter shade here. And we're gonna dab that in the part a little bit just to make it look more realistic. As always, you all know that I love a realistic looking part. And the best way to do so is by adding makeup if you do not want to bleach your knots. Yes, you all, and that is it. Look how realistic the part now looks, you know, a little bit more lively, and I like that. It does look like scalp now. Wow, so cute, right? Quickly, I'm gonna take some of my Biosilk serum just to add some more shine and luster to the hair. And taking my Denman brush, I'm gonna brush the product through the hair as well. So simple, nice glueless bob, you all. You can wear this glueless. Love it, love it, love it, love it. You know, closure wigs are my favorite because they are the most easiest to style. You just have to worry about lace from here to here, none from ear to ear. So I love that. Look at that lace, you all. Look at the lace. It's non-existent. I'm telling you, you all, you don't need baby hairs. I'm telling you, it's so beautiful, so clean, so undetectable, so realistic. Love LuvMe Hair. And here's the back for you all. So pretty. The back is perfect. Love this 10-inch length. We can even tuck some behind the ear. Look how cute that is. Okay. So adorable. Wow. So again, this is LuvMe Hair's asymmetrical side part bob. It is a 4x4 closure unit, 10 inches long, 180% density, and it comes in a natural black color. This is their Swiss medium brown lace, so gorgeous. And what I love about LuvMe Hair is that their hair comes from one donor, so your hair is always going to be nicely uniformed. Bobs are such an effortless and timeless classical look. I would love to thank LuvMe Hair so much for sending me this gorgeous, amazing bob unit and for sponsoring today's video. I'll be sure to leave this unit link down below in the description box at your fingertips for your convenience, as well as all the other products that I use in today's install as well. Please do not forget to like this video, subscribe, comment down below. Let's get a conversation going as always. Share this video with your friends and family, and you all, I will see you in the next one. Bye.